Welcome to our beginner's guide to achieving a flat stomach without needing a gym. This video focuses on effective exercises you can do at home, anytime. We will concentrate on building strong core muscles, essential for a flatter abdomen. Building core strength improves posture, stability, and overall fitness. We'll also incorporate exercises to burn belly fat, combining cardio and targeted movements for maximum impact. Remember, consistency and a healthy diet are key to achieving lasting results. Let's get started on your journey to a stronger, more toned core. Before we begin our core workout, let's dedicate 5 minutes to warming up our bodies. This crucial step helps prevent injuries and prepares our muscles for the exercises ahead. We'll start with light cardio to increase blood flow and raise our heart rate. Think gentle jogging in place or jumping jacks. Next, we'll move on to dynamic stretches, focusing on controlled movements that increase range of motion. These include arm circles, forward and backward leg swings, and torso twists. These dynamic stretches help to increase flexibility and improve muscle activation, ensuring we get the most out of our workout safely and effectively. Our first exercise is the plank, a fantastic core strengthener. We'll show you the correct form, maintaining a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core, and avoiding sagging hips or arching your back. Proper form is crucial to avoid injury and maximize results. We'll demonstrate variations to suit different fitness levels, from a standard plank to modified planks on your knees. For beginners, aim to hold the plank for 30 seconds, rest for a short period, and then repeat the exercise 3 times. As you get stronger, gradually increase the hold time, or try more challenging variations. Next up are classic crunches, a fundamental exercise targeting the rectus abdominis, your six-pack muscles. Remember to focus on controlled movements, avoid jerky motions. Engage your core muscles by drawing your navel towards your spine as you lift your upper body. Crucially, avoid pulling on your neck, use your abdominal muscles to lift, keeping your neck relaxed. To begin, aim for 3 sets of 15 repetitions. As you progress, you can increase the number of sets or representatives, or try variations such as reverse crunches or weighted crunches to challenge yourself further. Always prioritize proper form over speed or quantity. Now, let's target those lower abs with leg raises. Lie flat on your back with your hands under your hips for support. Keeping your legs straight, slowly lift them towards the ceiling, engaging your lower abdominal muscles. The key is to control the movement, avoid momentum. Slowly lower your legs back down, without letting them touch the ground. This controlled lowering is crucial for maximizing muscle engagement. Aim for 3 sets of 15 repetitions. As your strength improves, you can try variations, such as raising your legs to a 90-degree angle, or adding ankle weights for added resistance. Bicycle crunches are excellent for engaging your obliques, the muscles on the sides of your waist. Lie on your back with hands behind your head, and bring one elbow towards the opposite knee, while extending the other leg. Imagine a cycling motion, alternating sides smoothly and rhythmically. Focus on controlled movements and avoid jerking. The key is to feel the burn in your obliques. For optimal results, aim for 3 sets of 20 repetitions on each side. You can increase the intensity by increasing the representatives, or adding a slight twist at the end of each crunch. Remember to breathe steadily throughout the exercise. Next, we'll tone our obliques with Russian twists. Sit with your knees bent, lean back slightly, keeping your back straight, and lift your feet slightly off the ground. Then, twist your torso from side to side, bringing your arms towards the floor on each side. For added resistance, hold a light weight, such as a water bottle. Control the movement, avoid momentum. Focus on engaging your obliques with each twist. For beginners, 3 sets of 15 repetitions on each side is a good starting point. As you improve, increase representatives, or use a heavier weight. Remember to keep your core engaged throughout the exercise to protect your back. After our workout, it's crucial to cool down properly. A 5-minute cool down helps your body gradually transition from high-intensity exercise back to a resting state, preventing muscle soreness and stiffness. We'll focus on static stretches, holding each stretch for around 30 seconds. Static stretches improve flexibility and range of motion. Key stretches include hamstring stretches, gently pulling your leg towards your chest while seated or lying down, and torso stretches, gently twisting your torso from side to side. These stretches will increase blood flow to your muscles, aiding in recovery and preventing injury. Remember, a proper cool-down is just as important as the workout itself for optimal results and injury prevention. While this workout routine is effective, remember that exercise alone won't magically give you a flat stomach. A healthy diet plays a crucial role. Focus on nutritious foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, while minimizing processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive unhealthy fats. Combine this workout with a balanced diet for optimal results. Consistency is also key. Aim to do this workout regularly, ideally several times a week. Results take time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate changes. Be patient, stay committed, and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, consistency and a healthy lifestyle are essential for achieving and maintaining a flat stomach and overall well-being. Congratulations! You've completed your first flat stomach workout. Remember, this is just the beginning of your fitness journey. Always listen to your body, rest when you need to, and don't push yourself too hard, especially when starting. Staying hydrated is crucial for muscle recovery and overall health. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Most importantly, enjoy the process. Fitness should be enjoyable and sustainable. Don't focus solely on the end goal. Celebrate your progress along the way. For more effective workout routines and fitness tips, subscribe to our channel for regular updates and new videos. We're here to support you every step of the way on your fitness journey.